Are you giving your car or your yard or your house more time than your body? Hi, I'm Dr. Crocker and this is Dr. Sanders, and today we're going to talk about maintenance. You know, you're maintaining your car on a monthly or bi-monthly basis. You maintain your yard on a weekly basis by mowing it. We clean our houses pretty much weekly as well. But yet, when we have aches and pains, or really, even if we don't, why are we not maintaining our body to make for sure that we prolong our health the best that we can? So today what we're going to talk about are the different types of maintenance that you can do to improve your health.
That's right, Dr. Crocker. There are three main types of maintenance we look at when we're taking care of the human body. The first is the most simple. It's called time-based maintenance. And as you can imagine, it's based on the time between given stints of stiffness, aches, and even pain. So typically these last, between 4 to 6 weeks. However, it's different for everybody depending on how long their average stint of healthy time is.
Exactly. The other one is usage-based, and this is based on the amount of stress that you're putting on your system at once. And honestly, every single one of us puts stress on our system every single day, whether that be getting in and out of your car, or that be going home and doing yard work. It's starting to get a little bit warmer. We're doing more yard work. Or maybe you're a construction worker and you're lifting things all day long and you're just overworking your body and you think, well, I'm just a little bit sore, so I'm going to go home and just rest. Well, that soreness keeps getting worse over time, and that causes more degeneration in your system, and that actually causes your body to degenerate quicker than it should have been.
Absolutely. So far we have time-based, and we have usage-based. Now the biggest one, or the one that we typically use the most here, is called prescription-based.
What is that?
So prescription-based maintenance is determined by all of the factors. It's determined by your health history, your health priorities or goals, where you stand physically now and versus where you want to be, how your unique body and the conditions it has on it can perform. It's based on all of those things.
Yeah, at Zeal, we really try to bring in that prescriptive type maintenance because every single person is going to be different. Whether I'm treating someone that is 5 years old, maybe they're 85 years old, every single person is going to need something a little bit different based on really the goals that you want, your desired health, the dynamics and your capabilities of what you do each day. And so, if you're one of those type of people that thinks, well, maybe I should just get an exam, or maybe I need to figure out how to maintain my body a little bit better, make sure to give our office a call and like, share, and subscribe below.